This is Clay from Longshot. I'm out here at the King of 2 Mile competition, and just wanted to run you guys through how we use the Hawk and some of the app features for competitions specifically. So in the app, we can overlay a minute of angle or mil grid over the image from the camera. So what I'm doing right now, I've got the camera on my spotting scope. I'm looking downrange currently at the cold bore target. It's at 1,952 yards. And I'm just going to create a grid on this target so that when we're shooting the competition, we can count over how many minutes. If we see an impact off the target, we can count over with the grid accurately how much of an adjustment to make on our scopes. So to do that, I'm here in the live feed. I'm going to go into the settings bar of the app. I'm going to turn measurements on. I'm going to come in now. The targets that we use for these competitions, they're all basically 2 minutes of angle wide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, I'm going to mark 2 corners of the target, and I'm going to mark my point of aim as the center of the target. Now, you know, I can put in the actual size of the plate if I know it and the actual distance, but as a little shortcut that I like to use, I'm just going to say that the distance between those 2 points is 2 inches. And we're shooting a target at 100 yards. Now, again, that's completely wrong, but for the purposes of drawing a grid on the target, that is going to give me a 2 minute of angle grid on this target. So I'm going to start, you see the grid pop up there. I'm going to come into the settings, I'm going to change the grid color to black. And I'm going to take a snapshot of that right there. So we'll use this to create a plot sheet. So that we can, again, see where the impact is and then count it over to make the adjustment.